So, dear students and viewers, welcome to the online class arranged by Lions School and College, Rangpur. As you know, I am your English teacher, Muhammad Arman Hussain. Today, we are going to discuss something on first paper. I know the students of class 8 have already attended a few classes. All of the classes were in English, second paper or grammatical item. I have also taken my two previous classes on article, which were also a grammatical item. Today I am that's why going to discuss on a topic from our textbook. You know, for your exam there will be a scene passage which will be from the text, and there will be multiple choice questions, 7 marks, 1 mark for each one, and 4 open-ended questions, each question carrying 2 marks, total 8, and the grand total is 8 and 7, 15, total 15 marks. That's why we will also discuss something from our text also, because I know you are staying at home and are not used to going through the textbook. That's why I have chosen my topic today from our textbook. It is for the students of class 8 and the topic is from Unit 5, Lesson 2. Unit 5, Lesson 2. So, get ready with your textbooks. We will discuss some words at first. Words that might be unknown to you. We will discuss those words at first. Before that, I would like to give you a hint about the passage. Again, I repeat, it is from Unit 5, Lesson 2 from our textbook. The whole unit is about a girl named Shamima. You know, Shamima is a girl who has come of a lower class family. Her father is a poor farmer and he has a large family to maintain. That's why Shamima, who is now an adult person, who has become a woman, but she told us her story, which starts when she was 15 years old and was promoted to class 8 like you. And she started and she told about the ups and downs of her life and how she became a successful person. So we will learn about her by stage. Today we will discuss, we will go through the passage and we will learn something about her past, what happened to her. So before that, you might have to know some words that seems to be unknown to you. The words I have already written on the board. You can see the first one is started. Started means shuru korechilo in Bangla. The synonym of the word is begin. The second one is stand. Stand in Bangla it is hotobombo. Synonym is astonished. Admiration means proshongsa, and the synonym is praise. Adolescent, kishore. In Bangla it is kishore, and the synonym is young person or teenager like you. Nipped in the bud, it is a phrase. Nipped in the bud means অঙ্কুরে বিনষ্ট হওয়া। অঙ্কুর আমরা জানি যে বীজ থেকে কেবল একটা চারা উঠছে এটাকে বলে অঙ্কুর। কেবল বীজটা লাগানোই আছে মাটিতে, যখন আমরা বীজ বপন করি তো প্রথম মাটি ভেদ করে যে চারাটুকু উকি দেয় পৃথিবীতে সেটাই হচ্ছে অঙ্কুর। তার মানে কি, যে একটা গাছ বা একটা প্লান্ট তৈরি হওয়ার একেবারে প্রাথমিক অবস্থা, এটাকে বলে অঙ্কুর বা বার্ড। তো নিপড ইন দ্য বার্ড হচ্ছে অঙ্কুরে বিনষ্ট হওয়া, মানে কোনো কাজ প্রথমেই ধ্বংস হয়ে যাওয়া, শেষ হয়ে যাওয়া। এবং এটার সিনোনিম আমরা এভাবে লিখতে পারি, রুইন্ড এট দ্য বিগিনিং, মানে একেবারে শুরুতেই ধ্বংস হয়ে যাওয়া। দেন কাম হিড, ইট ইজ HEED। হিড মিন্স পে অ্যাটেনশন অর লিসেন, লিসেন টু সামথিং। অ্যারেঞ্জড, ব্যবস্থা করেছিল, ইন পাস্ট ইট ইজ, অ্যান্ড দ্য সিনোনিম ইজ ম্যানেজড। অ্যান্ড দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ প্রোটেস্ট। প্রোটেস্ট মিন্স প্রতিবাদ করা ইন বাংলা, অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ রেজ ভয়েস এগেইনস্ট, কোনো কিছুর বিরুদ্ধে, কোনো কিছুর প্রতিবাদ করা, কোনো কিছুর বিরুদ্ধে বলা, যেটা অন্যায় বা ন্যায়সঙ্গত না সেটার বিরুদ্ধে বলাটাই হচ্ছে প্রতিবাদ বা প্রোটেস্ট। তো এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমরা পাবো এই প্যাসেজে, যেগুলো অর্থ হয়তো আমাদের জানা না বা আমাদের কাছে অপরিচিত ওয়ার্ড, এই জন্য এগুলো নিয়ে আগে ডিসকাস করে নিলাম। এখন আশা করি তোমরা বই নিয়ে বসে আছো, ইউনিট 5 লেসন 2। এখন আমি এই প্যাসেজটা পড়ে যাব, যেখান থেকে তোমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে, আমি একটা এক্সারসাইজ এখানে রেডি করে রেখেছি, 4টা কোশ্চেন আছে, এই কোশ্চেনগুলোর অ্যান্সার কিন্তু দিতে হবে, যেটা তোমরা খাতায় লিখবা, লিখে সবাই নিজেদের রোল নাম্বার এবং সেকশন, নাম, রোল, সেকশন লিখবা, লিখে দিয়ে এই গ্রুপে আবার এগুলোর আনসারটা সেন্ড করে দিবা। এর সাথে আমি আরও একটা এক্সারসাইজ দিব, সেটাও প্রত্যেকটা পাতায় নিজেদের নাম এবং রোল নাম্বার লিখে এটা সেন্ড করবা। এই এক্সারসাইজটা আমি যাতে আগামী 2 দিনের মধ্যে আবার এগুলোর আনসার তোমাদের কাছ থেকে, সকলের কাছ থেকে পেয়ে যাই। সো কাম টু দ্য টেক্সট, ইট ইজ ফ্রম ইউনিট 5 লেসন 2. I am going through the passage. Shamima started to tell us her story. Listening to her, we were stunned, and at the same time, our hearts were filled with admiration for her. It was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. 15-year-old Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Marrying off a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. Shamima did not want to get married, but nobody paid any heed to her. They arranged her marriage with a man much older than her. All her tears and protests went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Jawardar. So this is the passage, and now we will see at the board and try to guess what are the questions and what should be their answers. Number 1, who is Shamima? You have got an introduction of Shamima, you have learned something about Shamima, you have to write down the answers on that basis. What was her dream? Number 3, why did all her tears and dreams go in vain? And the number 4, very important, it is marrying of a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. I have quoted the sentence from the text. There is the sentence written in the text that I have gone through. You have to describe the sentence in not more than 4 sentences. Your answer will not never be 5 or 6 sentences. It will be 4 or below. It may be 4 sentences, it may be in 3 sentences, it may be in 2 sentences, but it will not exceed 4 sentences. So, dear students, there is another item that we should discuss, and it is also from the textbook, but not from the passage set in the question. The item is filling gap. But today, as we have discussed about Shamima and and it is unit 5 lesson 2. So, on the basis of the passage, I am going to write down another passage, a summarized passage of the passage given in the text, and there will be gaps. You have to fill in the gaps. But remember, you can never use more than one word in a single gap. It means you have to fill in the gaps, each only one word using. You have to use only one word for each gap, not more than one word. So, just get ready with your copy and pen. You can also take a snap, or you can pause your video after completing, and you should write it down. You should take down the passage. Fill in the gap. Shamima dash was 15 in 1995 dash of a happy life. She was a student of class 8 and wanted to dash her education. After dash educated, she wanted to get a good job so that she could dash to her family income. But her dream didn't come dash as her father wanted to marry her dash. Shamima was dash the decision of her father dash she protested. Nobody paid heed to her. Dash she was married sorry that's there are 10 gaps. You have to write down the answers in your copy and send it to the group. So I think now you have a clear idea about the passage. At home you will also go through the passage again and again and try to answer the questions in your own words and try to fill in the gap with best words that you can guess. And I hope that you are enjoying our online classes. You should attend the classes and carry on your studies, dear students. We will meet again in the next week. Till then, goodbye.